Good afternoon, students. In last class, we discussed changes around us chapter. In that, we learned some common changes can be reversed or not. Yes. Students, in this class, I am going to teach you, could there be other ways to bring a change? We all have seen the tools which are used to dig the soil. Students, all of you see here, these are the tools which are used to dig the soil. And have you ever seen how the iron blade in these tools is fixed to the wooden handle? Okay, all of you see, this is the wooden handle, this is iron blade. Okay, and have you ever seen how the iron blade in these tools is fixed to the wooden handle? The iron blade of these tools has a ring. Okay, all of you see here, this is the ring in which the wooden handle is fixed. Normally, the ring is slightly smaller in size. Okay, then the wooden handle to fix the handle. The ring is heated and it becomes slightly larger in size. The ring is, when heating, ring gets expands. Now the handle easily fix into the ring. Okay, and it contracts and fits tightly on the handle. Okay, all of you see here, when we heating the ring, it gets expands. Okay, it becomes larger in size. Okay, after the handle easily fixed into the ring. Okay, and when the ring cools down, it contracts and fits tightly onto the handle. Such a change is also used for fixing the metal rim on a wooden wheel of the cart. Okay, all of you see here, students, this is the metal rim, this is the what? Wheel of cart, wooden wheel of cart. Okay, again the metal rim is made slightly smaller than the wooden wheel. Okay, on heating, the ring gets expands and fits onto the wheel. Cool water is then poured over the rim, which contracts and fits tightly onto the wheel. Okay, all of you see here, students, rim now fits tightly onto the wheel. When we heat a water in a beaker, it begins to boil after some time. If we continue to heat further, the quantity of water in this beaker begins decreases. Okay, when we heating a water changes into its vapor state. Remember, students, in condensation process, you have observed that water vapor gets changed into liquid water when it is cooled, right? Students, all of you see here in this picture, the water vapors gets changed into liquid water. Okay, when it is cooled. And another change, we all have noticed melting of ice. Ice melts when it is heated, right? What does it change into? It is possible to change this water back into ice? Yes. Okay, again, when we keep a water in refrigeration, the water changes into a ice on cooling in refrigeration. Students, let us observe some more changes. Take a candle, measure its length. Okay, all of you see here, This candle is approximately 13.4 centimeter. Now fix it at a suitable place and light it. Okay. Students, let it burn for some time. Students, now blow out the candle and measure its length again. Now it will become 12.9 centimeter. Now length of the candle decreases, right? Can the change in the length of the candle be reversed? Oh, we can't change the length of the candle reverse, right? Students, another activity, I am going to take a incense sticks. Students, now I am going to light it. Let it burns few minutes. Stick burns to produce some new material. Okay, these are ash. Okay, and some gases. These gases we can't see but can sense them due to their pleasant smell. Okay, and can this change be reversed or not? We can't reverse, right? And what about the change which occurred in the matchstick we used for lighting the candle and incense sticks? We can't reverse this change also. Students, so far we have discussed the changes occurring in a given object or its material. Then what about the changes that occur when two substances are mixed together? Remember, in previous chapter we dissolved salt in water. Do you think a change occurred in salt or in water? It is possible to reverse this change. Students, in chapter 5, separation of a substance, we learnt how to separate salt from its solution in water, right? So, can we say that the change due to dissolving salt in water can be reversed, right? Students, you have ever seen curd being set? A small quantity of curd is added to warm milk, right? The milk is stirred and is set aside for a few hours at warm place. Okay, in a few hours the milk changes into curd, right? Can this change be reversed? We can't change this reverse, right? Students, in this chapter we find that a few ways to bring about a change in a substance could be by heating, by mixing it with some other substance. We also find that some changes can be reversed while some other cannot be reversed, right? There must be many other ways of changing things around us. It is possible that some of them could be reversed. Thus, changes around us could be grouped as those that can be reversed or not. In higher classes, you will learn more about the ways in which changes can be made and the way these can be grouped. Okay. Students, all of you should follow given worksheet. Thank you, students.